how to import cars from United Kingdom. Costs, processes, and crucial tips. There's no denying that foreign cars have always held an element fascination for the general American consumer. And there's even less to argue against British manufacturers making some of the most luxurious, intriguing, reliable, and fast cars on the market. It's essential to familiarize yourself with these acts and the standards set by the government and other responsible authorities or agencies. Many vehicles made outside the United States and not for United States distribution could very well violate some standards and require substantial modifications. Car shipping to United Kingdom as opposed to bringing import cars from United Kingdom is cheaper. The baseline price for getting a car across the ocean and into the United States starts at around $1,850. Of course, these prices vary between vehicle carriers and are affected by several factors. However, it's almost always more expensive to import cars from UK than to ship an American car across the pond via ocean freight. Get your free personalized quote by calling us at 888-231-0113.